Hello, welcome to Rootconf 2018. My name is Pratik Agarwal. I am a senior software engineer at AppDynamics. This talk will be about how AppDynamics runs a multi-tenant Kubernetes cluster and how we have built our CI/CD pipeline and alerting and monitoring on top of that. So, in the agenda, I will start with introduction, what AppDynamics is, what it does, and what does its product do, and then a brief about myself. Then I will continue on the scale at which AppDynamics work. It handles around millions of metrics per minute, and resiliency and robustness of those metrics is very crucial to our infrastructure. Then I will continue on the pain points that we saw with our old infrastructure and how it was limiting the velocity of our developer as well as limiting the features that we were providing on our product. Then I will continue on why we chose Kubernetes on top of other orchestration frameworks like DCOS and Docker Swarm, and what advantages Kubernetes was giving us in comparison to the others. Then I will go into the initial design requirements that we had before launching our project and what were the initial features that we wanted to give in the MVP. And then I will discuss the workflow that we have from the commit of a developer to the whole CI/CD pipeline and how a commit goes to the production and how the production deployment works for us. Before doing that, I will go through the cluster setup tools, which are tools that we use to launch a new cluster of Kubernetes on-prem as well as on cloud. Like we use Kismatic for on-prem and KOps for AWS. Then I will discuss how we have built alerting and monitoring on top of our Kubernetes cluster using Prometheus and Grafana dashboards, and how we use Grafana and Prometheus to have a streamlined monitoring on all of our environments with no manual intervention in between. Then I will discuss how we do logging using Splunk Forwarder and forward all our logs to Splunk through the daemon sets of Kubernetes. And then I will discuss how we have set up our production and canary in such a way that there is a split of traffic between canary and production via 5% and 95%, and how if a failure happens on production, there is an automatic failover of production to canary. Then I will spend some time on issues that we saw while we were building our Kubernetes automation and what were the lessons learned so that others do not repeat that in future. And then I will go for the resources and question and answers. Thank you.